Here are some helpful tips for troubleshooting your Starling Smart Bassinet. In pairing mode, the Wi-Fi indicator on your bassinet control panel will blink slowly. If the Wi-Fi indicator blinks quickly in pairing mode, it means that it's failed to connect to a network. If Wi-Fi fails to connect, check your network username and password and try again. If you've checked your username and password and tried to pair again without success, check with your internet service provider. We recommend a connection speed of at least 2 megabits per second. Your internet service provider can verify your connection speed. If you're traveling with your bassinet, you'll need to pair your device to the new network. Certain shared networks, like those in hotels, may not work. To reconnect to a new network, or if your home credentials change, see our How to Pair video. For certain issues, an easy solution is to unplug and restart your bassinet. Start by tapping the power icon to turn off your bassinet and unplug it. Then plug it in and tap the power icon to turn it back on. Other network issues might require a factory reset, which will restore all settings to their default state. To reset your Starling Smart Bassinet to its original settings, press and hold both motion 1 and the power icon for 20 seconds. The device will make a chime sound when the reset starts, and again when it's finished. You can also reset your bassinet from the Connected Family app. Tap Settings, then tap Remove Device. The bassinet will be removed from the app and restored to factory settings. It will need to be paired again for future use. Note that any activated Cry Assist subscriptions will continue even after a factory reset. For information on pairing after a reset, see our How to Pair video. If your bassinet stops moving and the power icon starts to blink red, it can mean that there's an obstruction. When something obstructs the bassinet's movement, it will automatically stop. To restart Starling's motion, find and remove the obstruction and tap the power icon. Stay clear of the device while restarting.